Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made upon the beatings can see on the screen. The moment we all been waiting for finally happened, my people. Put in the comment section what do you think about Roselee dealing with Dyema out here like some papa. Cause you know says she's out there clout chasing and bad minded thing and all of these things. You see me I say I'm not gonna tell you no lie, my people. Social media streets is saying Diamond's the one that called the police and you know the landlord and all of these neighbors on Roselee because she bad mind says she get a fixed address and she's out here upping and bapping all around. This is my say and figure it out get called up in the mix up because you know Roselee basically said, figure it out, dislikes Dyema and all of these things, right? So, yeah, Fantastic 3 is back to 3 and no longer 4. Listen, my people, put in the comment section what you think about that. Because, we've been updating our other platforms and all of these things. So, no, we're going to let in the ear while going for that to go on. You see it.
The only reason why Rose now never been said about your Rose was somebody did it for my. He don't want to look bad because he know the internet going to talk about the party. And Rose a pussy. Rose a pussy. Barry. And I don't like man them there. Rose my blood clot there. Rose. Who that?
Oh, we reach back right now, sir.
Rose up on the live and talk about that so you say me a wicked.
Why petty?
Come on, come on.
Why petty?
Me just grieve figure. Me no want no taste the white. Me just grieve.
Yo, watch out now.
Rose I say you say me a.
You see what I know about your son brother on a fuck off. You can't tell her to stop. Why no one? Hold on, before me talk about that. Stop let them people enjoy out and make.
Rose, me a listen to Rose.
Rose, yet you know me always big you up and put nothing about respect for your name, you know.
Rose,
yes, when hold on, baby. Yes, when you talk, do not come on the media come tell lie for me, because I know your body, you don't like nobody but yourself, you know. Not even for me, you don't like, you know, I never yet once disrespect you, you know, Rose. Me always put respect for your name, you know. Yes, when you know I have no woman thing, don't involve me in on the thing, bro. Take me out tight. Where you come, brother? A Dyema me stand with in a Rose. And I do nothing for me in a Rose. A Dyema do everything for me, you know. So please don't come on the internet, come tell no lie for me, because I not style and I not tell no lie for you. And baby, me I end your life.
Figure I don't know you're wicked enough, someone know when I rub your shoulder. Okay, you tell me, I'm telling personal say you're wicked. Someone know what you do. You need to stop. You need to stop. If me in an argument and me in a brawl, you call my phone. Me have a phone number, you have my 2 number them. You need to stop. When you tell Sophia, your moderator, that and me by the 2 phone them. I rose by the 2 phone them, I did over courthouse attack. I didn't click no live and said nothing. And you never click no live and address it either. You know, you do go on in the comments and say, I never say that. You think I don't see you? You think I don't see underneath there? I say, watch here. And everything I like to address. Like you want to address this, you should have addressed that. So you see how the cat bit your tongue, Dyema? You need to stop. Because when they do this thing, you're only going to make people to hate you. You need to stop. You never, when that man was, that man and the people were keeping their court. And they said that. Oh, the 2 phone them, Ray, are you? It's you. Dyema tell me so Rose by the 2 phone them. You never come out, come just sit. You type on the comment section. Me never tell nobody that. Me see underneath there. Me see underneath there. Me not see underneath there. I'm ready when me's a girl, I'm ready me go in the comments in and out. Me see, I say watch you. I ask to myself, say she don't come out and address that. And she want to address everything. Everything you want to address. You in? So if I say you say me by the 2 phone them. Your moderator. And them play a voice over the courthouse. And you come type. You not click na live and say nothing, you come type. Now when you hear Sunshine die with our foolishness where you tell people, yeah, come on, he's a wicked. You is a wicked. Figure I don't know you're wicked enough, someone know when I rub your shoulder. Okay, you tell me, some tell the person say you're wicked. Someone know what you do. You need to stop. You need to stop. If me in an argument and me in a brawl, you call my phone. Me have a phone number, you have my 2 number them. You need to stop. What are you doing? any story when nobody come out, any story at all come on the net, and your mouth it come out your mouth.
Oh, JB, tell me.
Remember you say you clog up with the boy and the boy cocky can't stand up all now.
The things them overcome.
A blood clot.
Overcome. Remember the things them and taught them.
And he make your maga so.
Oh.
But talk to God. And that mama have proof. I will call the girl name. I will call her name.
Call everything.
Call her name. Call it overcome.
Bust it up.
Call name. Call name.
Call the name.
Wait tell woman about say Rose by the phone and get Hakim. You know who you tell America.
All of them are get mixed up. The fuck.
Oh, Rose. Remember you say
Call the name.
It don't sound good. So
it
I'm gonna try to the point now go come across if we not
one at a time. One at a time.
Wait, Moisha.
One at a time.
Remember you talk that. Remember you talk everything. We know about the watch before the watch come on the internet Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Remember you tell
okay.
I mean I will got nothing in a mix of
you're not all about
Loud it up. Loud it up. Loud it up.
Yeah, we been know.
Moderator, lock off the comment section now for the live goal.
We knew about the bedroom set.
Lock off the comment section.
We knew about the bedroom set.
Lock it off.
None Dyema. Cause you am blood clot mule. The comfy church. I'm going bad money girl. Cause bad money a blood clot.
No moderator na there.
Your name dump already. Your name dash way. Your name dash up for what to kill filler. Your name not call again Dyema. Go away. I suck back for you.
Jesus. Turn up.
And what?
No man, no there you can do it.
I don't know how to do it. Moesha, lock off the comments.
I don't know how.
I don't know. Stacey, lock off the comments.
Let me look. I don't forget to never teach me everything. I'm not know who the watch is.
It's okay, man. Lock it
Man,
off.
come up, come call my name and at me.
Moisha, that's cool now. With the pan, with that topic there. We overcome there. Where you say, my auntie? My auntie, where you say?
Let the people know.
Let them know
what we know. Let the people know what we know.
Yeah. Let them know what we know a long time.
We knew a long time. A long time.
Okay. Talk that again.
We knew a long time.
At 3 o'clock blood clot this morning.
Oh.
Who you move your blood clot Dyema go breathe? You want a piece skull in your blood clot belly. Who it? You soon reach 60 and tough like blood clot termite. Move.
Bad man blood clot Rose. Who allow the girl? Who allow the girl?
But
the response with you.
And you chat the girl. You first chat the girl.
And I'm afraid of them. I'm afraid of them over here.
We been know. And we don't say nothing. We don't come to you and say nothing. We don't class it. We just hold it down.
Moisha, you know how we are watching.
Wow, long. It's a Christmas day. We been know. We been know. That's the wife. We know what it's chatting.
Be quiet. Hush, hush.
We're not follow part.
Overcome.
We're not follow part.
Let overcome bust it.
Overcome what you say.
Christmas
mute Jenny. Why not mute Jenny?
You remember Christmas Day, the Akim show the bedroom set?
Yeah.
The girl face change different.
Okay.
So the girl is a bad mind, blood clot. You call the girl and tell the girl, say, he must show blood clot, bedroom set per phone. And you know, show a receipt. That man, you chat Roselee, you talk a bag of things.
Oh.
Don't come for the internet and cry. I water
wicked.
For yourself.
Wicked.
Yeah, cry for yourself. Tell the girls to figure out chat Roselee.
Wicked them wicked.
Figure it out. Talking about he stand with Dyema. Figure it out. She chat him too.
Tell the people them also shut big
Tell the people she say your hood dead. Tell them you say your hood dead. Tell them that. Tell them.
Clap things them.
Tell them that.
To the bedroom, set the girl face.
Oh.
So I don't know how him pop up on a run.
The fuck figure it out and run out. Cause Dyema say when you sleep with her, or you cuddle with her, your cocky can't stand up. Your cocky can't stand up.
And she say your mouth stinking, you don't like the babe. She say your mouth stinking, you don't like the babe.
Oh yeah, come on, people who can't manage to eat.
And she say your mouth stink. And she say his mouth stink and he don't like the baby.
Okay, me what's up, man? You brighten up the clock.
And since we are Chayo, she and him never talk 3 days ago.
Yeah.
She and him never talk 3 days ago. And since I'm going to embassy, she and him talk.
Yeah.
Dyema, remember so Roselee get us on that scheme that Dyema
live goal. One on the overcome. Stop talking. Some of them have to go. Live goal. One on the overcome. Cause remember me not run a joke. Live goal. We need some more donuts. Live goal. Not run a joke. One on overcome. Bill a split. What's up, mother?
Donut, get her donut, yeah, get her the donut them. I'm not talk nothing more. See, she get her donut and half rose.
I'm not run a joke. Support the live goal chat. You crazy?
Yeah.
That me one day if you chat never notice that's why we're not really up in the ups and lives and stuff. I never notice.
Yeah, my auntie.
Lord God,
that's why
my
them say
niece,
the girl bad. Alright, Roselee get the house. She don't even come out and say congratulations.
Yeah.
This is a bad man.
Always in that
because Roselee get the house on the said scheme and she go tell somebody make them fight out Roselee. That Roselee get the house on the scheme.
See them? See them? Talk that again now. Auntie, that's why I say more you build a switch for remember the things them in my auntie. More you remember the things them in my auntie.
No, go on, war no. Go on
yes.
A war.
No, we can't talk. We there wait for Rose.
Now we can talk.
Yeah.
Now we can talk.
Oh, yeah, wicked.
Oh.
She had the last one get the house in the scheme, you know. And Roselee get fear house, you know. And she tell somebody about the house and then fight out Roselee on the internet, you know. You understand? And she alone live in the scheme. So Dyema, people know where to die.
Man.
Dyema, people know what they did.
Same thing,
It's a snake on the grass, girl.
I'm not like people, oh, so true.
You bring the Roselee, are you in the scheme now? You want to figure it out. You see the man move out and go live in the same scheme and come and live in now.
Okay.
Una jam my tongue, you know, because I have something
We
to
not
eat, you know, jam my tongue. As spicy kind of Dyema with that chat Roselee.
We've been knowing that she's not nice and we never come over here control her. We not say nothing. We left it. We hear what we hear. And we never say nothing.
Moisha know that I want bust at the time I come on top girl platform chat to me say she nobody say no. And that me want bust long time. When me about Bree. Silk Bass baby mother. And here I know she tell Rose something and Rose call back on him. And the girl she talk about.
Now, at the end of the day, people, you know, I don't be buying what these T-listers is selling. And this could be a prank, but it couldn't be that. You feel me? And if you want to keep up to date with the story, just jump on my next 2 channel. Let me see my second. When I go along it out, run your son along, you see it. Bliss.